Hey everyone! Today we're assembling the AMS Lift Rack for your Bamboo Lab H2 printers. First up, let's install the magnets. Double check to make sure all the magnets have the exact same poles facing up. Next, push a piece of filament into the lever hole, align it with the lever, and trim off the excess. The magnets here should repel each other so that the levers can naturally pop right up. For steps 3 and 4, grab your bow tie connectors and BT 3x8mm screws to piece together and secure the 4 sections of the printer riser. Moving on to step 5, go ahead and secure the top back section using a single BT 3x12mm screw. Step 6, apply the adhesive foam to the area where the top plate will sit and trim it down to fit your setup. While you're at it, definitely test the magnetic levers to ensure they can move completely freely. Steps 7 through 9 are all about the LED light strip. If you plan on installing lights, route the cable neatly into the channel first and then place the riser onto the printer. Secure the riser using the 8 tie-down hooks and BT 3x12 screws. Keep in mind, the 2 hooks on the back left might need a little careful prying to snap into place. Finally, just stick your LED strip along the 12mm wide angled surface and you're good to go. Step 10, install the drawer slides onto the bottom AMS holders using the included screws. For step 11, mount the bearing shafts to the base using 16 BT 3x12 screws. In steps 12 and 13, use a bow tie connector and a BT 3x12 screw to join the left and right halves of the AMS base. Then screw the drawer slides onto the AMS base as well. Step 14. Let's install the arms onto the base. Make sure the rear arm goes in the back and ensure the side with the printed boards faces inward. If it's a tight fit, don't force it by hand. You can use a bench vise, a clamp, or a rubber mallet to press it into place. Once it's seated, cap off the bearings using your BT 3x20 screws. For step 15, press the lifter bars onto the top AMS holder, paying close attention to verify the front and back orientation. Use your tools again if it's too snug, and then secure the bearing caps with BT 3x20 screws. Step 16. Use the provided screws to install the gas strut ball joint hardware onto the rear arm and the front section of the AMS base. Step 17. Simply snap the gas struts on both sides onto the ball joints you just installed. Now for step 18, place the assembled main rack onto the printer's riser and drive 4 BT 3x12 screws into the back braces. Step 19, slide your choice of side modules into both sides. Then use 8 BT 3x18 screws to lock the AMS base and the side modules onto the riser. Space is a bit tight here, so take your time and bring a little patience. Step 20. If you are using the AMS HT modules on the sides, secure the top section to the base with your BT 3x12 screws. Step 21. Place your bottom AMS unit onto the lower holders and lock it down with 2 to 4 BT 3x12 screws. Step 22. Set the top AMS unit onto the upper mounts and secure it with 4 BT 3x12 screws. Step 23. If you have AMS HT units, place them onto their respective mounts, securing each device with 3 BT 3x12 screws. Finally, step 24, route the cables according to the manual and plug in all your AMS devices. And that's it. You're all done. Enjoy your brand new lift rack. Happy printing!